As I get older, bending over becomes more and more difficult. But this cheap pair of Harbor Freight tongs lets me get in there and pull these weeds without crawling around on my knees, which, with arthritis in both of them, makes it terribly difficult. But this little bugger works pretty good. Lydia suggested it. I thought, no, that won't work. Well, she was right. Does a good job. And if it's not a whole garden full, I mean, if this garden was packed full, this would be silly. I brought out the 2-tine hoe thinking that that's what I'd be using to pull the weeds, but it looks like most of it I'll be able to get with this little gripper. Grab a hold of the stem, shove down, loosen the soil up a little bit, pulls it right out. Nope, not going to pull out trees. Trees are just too hard to get to. Get too much mud on the tongs. There, we got it. Okay, that's enough. Time to go rest my hand.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.